perfect lip combo. Stop playing with me. It's giving Bratz doll. You're gonna start off on extra dry lips, okay? No product. When you don't have product on your lip, it makes the lip liner draw on a lot easier. This lip liner, it's in the shade dark brown. Got it from my local beauty supply store. It is the same pencil I use on my eyebrows. You're gonna go on and start off on that Cupid's bow. I kind of overline mine because I like that little look. You know what I mean? Just follow how your lip is, okay? So you see how it's a little overlined? It already gave my lips a little bit of a pucker. I ain't even do nothing yet. And then you're gonna overline your bottom lip as well. Now by overline, we're not going crazy. You just wanna see where your lip line is and go slightly above it. Same thing with the bottom. Now I'm also gonna go in and kind of fill in right here because I like my brown lip a little thick. Okay, once you got it like that, almost drew it a little bit. You're gonna take your finger and you're just gonna blend it out. Just by patting. You're not doing nothing crazy. Once you're done with that part, then you're gonna go in with the lip moisturizer before you put on your lip gloss. Because sometimes lip glosses can be a little bit drying. So you want to add some protection underneath. I'm just going in with some Vaseline and you just want to pat it in. You don't want to go too crazy because you don't want to wipe off your lip liner. I'm going to go in with my LA Colors Shiny Gloss. I like this gloss just because it's very pigmented and it's cheap. Get into it. It's a little metallic-y. I just like to add a little bit of that. Just blot it in a bit. Moing, 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 moing. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is going to be in the shade Confetti. One of my favorite colors because it kind of is like holographic a little bit. And I kind of like the sparkles that are in it. It's real cute. And then I'm going to go in with my other Fenty Beauty shade. And this is going to be in Cheeky. This is another favorite. And I like to just plop that in the middle. Period I, period of. Hell you talking about? Yeah, boy. Get into it.